Hello and welcome guys to Intech Code. Wait. First of all, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And now, as per the thumbnail, in this video, I'm going to compare the two coding languages named Java and JavaScript. Which one is better and many other things which are related to both of them languages. I will be comparing that in this video. And now in the bottom right corner of the thumbnail you would have read hashtag comparison one. So what I'm doing is I'm starting a series of comparison of different coding languages. So the languages are to be suggested by you. You can suggest the two languages in the comment box and I'll be comparing them. So now in the first video I'm comparing Java and JavaScript. So let's start the video. The two languages which are to be discussed in this video are already known to you, Java and JavaScript. And Java and JavaScript are programming languages. This is the knowledge, this is the basic knowledge that we people have. And many times people think that Java and JavaScript are same. No, they are not same at all. They both are different and I will be discussing many of the differences these both languages have in this video. So watch the video till end to get to know which one is better, what are the differences between these two languages and many more. So now let's talk about the first language, which is Java. So the first language we are going to talk about is Java. So Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. And Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is a general-purpose programming language intended to let application developers write once and run anywhere. It means that you can just write the code once and you can run it anywhere on any platform that supports Java without the need of recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine, which we call JVM, regardless of underlying computer architecture. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but it has fewer low-level facilities than either of them. And as of 2019, Java was one of the most popular programming languages in use according to GitHub, particularly for client-server web applications with a reported 9 million developers. It means that Java is a well-known programming language. And in short, how to understand Java. So Java is a programming language that allows the application developers to write the code once and run it anywhere on any platform that supports Java. So it's just great. It can help the programmer save its time and it can give you better applications and many more. So Java is great. Now let's move to the another language, which is JavaScript. The next language we are going to talk about is JavaScript. So JavaScript is often abbreviated as JS, is a programming language that we all know and that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. JavaScript is a high level, often just in time compiled and multi-paradigm. It has curly bracket syntax, dynamic typing, prototype based object orientation, and first class functions. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. JavaScript enables interactive web pages and is an essential part of web applications. The vast majority use it for client-side page behavior, and all major web browsers have a dedicated JavaScript engine to execute it. So, JavaScript, how can we understand JavaScript in short? So, JavaScript is a language that is often used for programming some of the web pages, and it is used mostly in web pages and web applications, while Java is used in applications JavaScript is better than Java, and I would prefer JavaScript instead of Java. And don't forget to comment below that which language are you going to learn, either Java or JavaScript. Now, at the end of this video, what we can conclude is that both Java and JavaScript are good programming languages, but JavaScript is more faster than Java, so I will suggest JavaScript instead of Java, so better to learn JavaScript. And now the video is over, and now my job is done. The rest is to be done by you, and your job is that if you found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel in Tech Code. And don't forget to suggest the next two languages on which you want the comparison in the next video, so that you can also help me to continue the series. And now check out this outro.